Yeah, hi Pritam, very good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, good, Nitish. Very good afternoon.
All good. Thank you. So Pritam, as you know, we are here for a quick feedback call to understand your overall experience with PyNet Labs as you have taken Python plus Ansible plus DevNet Associate training. So it would be really great, like if you can brief us, how was your overall experience in terms of training, in terms of content, in terms of the trainer, how way he used to deliver the training. So
Yeah, its overall experience is good actually, and even for uh, regarding to Abhijit means the trainer as well. Is point to means learning process we like actually it's a point to point, and yeah means overall course topic is also means proper briefly explained.
okay, great. And like, are you using Evangy for doing the labs now also, like
Yes,
after
yes,
completion of your training? That's great. That's great.
yes.
That's great. So one more thing I just wanted to understand, the course material which we have shared to you guys, so that is enough for you, or we should add some extra thing, or anything you wanted to say in terms of as a suggestion, we can develop more.
So course material means the videos only with
So the
us.
videos and the ebooks which we have shared, like DevNet Associate, Network Automation books, plus the Pythons.
Yeah. On that Telegram group, yes.
Yeah. In Telegram.
Yes.
So
Those are actually more than enough. Actually, means video itself are quite good to understand the stuffs.
okay, okay. So thanks a lot, Pritam, for your time, and I really wish you all the best for your future. And this
Thanks.
training, yeah, definitely going to help you a lot in your career. Yeah.
Yes. Thanks.
Okay. So thanks a lot, Pritam, for your
Yeah.
time.